পেশাগত জীবনে সফল হয়ে উঠতে গেলে সবার আগে প্রয়োজন ট্যালেন্ট এবং বিহেভিয়ারাল অ্যাটিটিউডকে সঠিক পথে চালনা করা। অর্গানাইজেশন সম্বন্ধে ধারণা, নিজেকে পজিটিভ রাখা, ভ্যালু অ্যাডিশন এবং রিসোর্স ম্যানেজমেন্ট আজকের দিনে একজন সফল প্রফেশনাল হয়ে ওঠার ক্ষেত্রে সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয়। আর এই বক্তব্যই যাতে আরও বেশি করে স্টুডেন্টসদের মধ্যে পৌঁছে যায়, সেই লক্ষ্যে ইআইআরসি চেষ্টা করছে ইন্ডাস্ট্রি এবং ইনস্টিটিউটের মধ্যে সম্পর্ককে আরও নিবিড় করতে। এইচআর কনফারেন্স তারই অন্যতম অঙ্গ। বর্তমান প্রতিযোগিতামূলক বিশ্বে কি চাইছে একজন সিএমএ স্টুডেন্টের কাছ থেকে প্রফেশনাল ওয়ার্ল্ড? কেন প্রয়োজন আন্তর্জাতিক খবরাখবর সম্বন্ধে নিজেকে আপডেট রাখার? কোন কোন ক্ষেত্রে বিহেভিয়ারাল চেঞ্জ এক্সপেক্ট করে ইন্ডাস্ট্রি? এইসব বিষয় নিয়ে চুলচেরা বিশ্লেষণ করলেন কোল ইন্ডিয়া, নোকিয়া, পিডব্লিউসি, লিন্ডে ইন্ডিয়ার মতো কোম্পানির সিনিয়র এইচআর কনসালটেন্টরা। তাদের বক্তব্যের নির্বাচিত অংশই রইল আপনাদের জন্য।
What I do is I manage the lines of service which is called tax, audit and advisory, and so that would be in Eastern region. It would be about 1,200 people, and if we include the global delivery center which we have in Calcutta, so in total PwC in the Eastern region has a presence of almost 3,000 people. So that's the kind of employment we've generated in the Eastern zone. Obviously, we are hoping to really expand in this region and in this zone, and we hope to give more employment to much more brighter talents which are available in the market. We do hire chartered accountants, we hire cost accountants, we do hire a lot of MTechs, BTechs, MBAs, finance.
So I feel, if you have people who are aligned, understanding the best and the right people required, have the right strategy. Again, the strategy is formed by the people. If you have the right strategy, right talent, right people empowered to drive that strategy, right people empowered to execute that strategy, you will win. But there is a lot of alignment which is required. One is clarity, and then communication within the organization of that, clarity to each person what they have to do, and then they are having a culture where they want to drive that in the organization.
The talent available in that country is not the skill set that they have, or the kind of experience that they bring is not sufficient enough to possibly the employees or the talent that India has in India. So are we making our people adaptable to change geographies, look at much bigger horizons?
This is a card, this is the values card, where we have the vision written, we have the values. And we said very clearly, value drive behavior, and behaviors drive results. There is a very clear-cut connection between values and results. And we talked about, in that organization, we talked about 5 behaviors. And we said uniformly to all the people that these are the 5 behaviors that we should try and demonstrate. And it is across all functions that you need these 5 behaviors. These 5 behaviors are positive attitude, persistence, openness, responsiveness and resources. I still have it in my mind and heart. It is so clearly ingrained.
It's absolutely imbibed.
It is imbibed. And if you see, do you have a finance or a HR guy who should not be responsible? Who should not be having a positive attitude? This is not open. These are values or behaviors you want in a finance or HR person, even in a sales guy, even in an operations person. So these are 5 behaviors which are required, and that is how you bring in uniformity and alignment.
We are managing Coal India right from project level to corporate level. There is HR team at project level. They are giving care to our employees, say housing, say their children education, say their medical, say their other fringe benefits. So now we have created a atmosphere where our each and every employee is satisfied by providing them all their basic needs after completion of their basic needs, we also try to satisfy their psychological needs. That's why our employee is satisfied by way of uh, a competent HR team who is dedicating their full time with our employees. That's why we are number one employer in the world.
We hire a lot of article trainees in the firm, and as you would be aware, article trainees are people who are part students, and one feet is in the campus and one feet is in the corporate world. So finding a balance between corporate and going back to Xavier's College and coming to work in an environment which is like a very professional environment is very difficult. So what we started doing is what we say the campus to corporate journey. So even before they get hired as article trainees, we do campus what we say that it's like reaching out to the colleges and trying to kind of give them some kind of a basic outlook of what life is going to be once they step into the corporate world. And it's not going to be easy because, and very importantly, we have started giving that kind of a message that behavior or behavioral competency as an auditor is as equally as important of how good a chartered accountant you are.
You first understand what is the value add for you. If you are able to add the value to you or yourself and to the organization, the other things which are there, growth, money, it will follow. Don't run after money, let it follow you. You look at the right values, the right things that you need to add to yourself and to the organization. If that is done, everything else will follow. When I moved to this role with Linde, my hiring manager asked me that what is the expectation that you have in terms of this. I said, this is my present salary. The job and the role is something which is of interest to me. That's it. You think what is appropriate, and I am not going to negotiate also.
কি শিখছে স্টুডেন্টরা ইআইআরসির কাছ থেকে? ইন্ডাস্ট্রি এবং ইনস্টিটিউটের সম্পর্কের পারস্পরিক বোঝাপড়া আজকের দিনে কেন এতটা জরুরি তারই বিশ্লেষণ করলেন ইনস্টিটিউটের চেয়ারপারসন চিত্রা আগরওয়াল এবং রিসার্চ কমিটির চেয়ারম্যান এসপি পাধি।
Today we had the HR round table with Linde India, there was Coal India, there was Price Waterhouse, there was Nokia, and just like last time we had a wonderful sharing of experiences wherein a lot of living examples were also quoted, and there was a lot of learning. You see, the learning went into from the HR head people who really are one of the pillars of an organization for the growth of an organization. Then on the other side are the finance people, and then on the third front were the professional people. We the professionals, how we could groom the students, what are the values that we need to really inculcate, what kind of counseling we need to do with the students so that they can fit into any organization. You see, one is on job training, the industrial training, which every industry is unique and they have their own structural framework wherein they would train these students, and but the value systems and the communication skills, the attitude part, which perhaps the professional institutes, if they learn this part, what are required for the various corporates and try to give it to the students, perhaps we could do some good work for the society, for the industry, and for the growth story of the country and economy as a whole.
Industry wants that cost and management accountants should be very well equipped with these managerial traits so that they can give a better delivery to the industry in form of a larger contribution, not only restricted to management of cost but in all aspects in relation to the organization's mission and vision, and they'll be a part of the growth story. Most of the companies in India have very good HR practices and industry and companies in particular always want to see that their employees perform to the best extent possible. They create that ambience, that platform to ensure that the employee is nurtured, is mentored, is guided well by the seniors, and understands well the company culture, the corporate culture, and be a part of the success story in due course of time. The more someone is serious about his or her own career, the more someone practice, the more someone puts effort for communication skill and analytical skill and other managerial skills, the more he or she will be successful in the corporate world.
We have been requesting for the industry people to come up and to guide the students, to address the students, to tell them what the industry is really looking at. And when the people from the industry come and say things and counsel the students, perhaps they will take it more serious, and those values and those vision statements that come from these corporate heads would somewhere get settled amongst the students, and they would look forward to such attributes in future.
In the curriculum of ICAI, we have computer learning skill. 100 hours of on-the-hand, on-the-job computer training is mandatory for all students who are pursuing the course of Cost and Management Accountancy. Apart from this, we have sessions on business communication, we have sessions on group discussion, we have sessions on verbal and non-verbal communication, which is also a part of the curriculum and a part of the practice. We conduct many programs for our students in respect to development of soft skills, including communication skills and managerial skills. But my suggestion to the students who are pursuing this course is not to fully depend on any curriculum or any particular session or course or classroom, rather to practice on his or her own, which is not a very difficult job.
We do organize industrial trips for students. Last time we sent a batch of students to the power sector, to the thermal power plant, and again we are planning another industrial visit, and the students actually came back very happy when they could really visit the plant and see the practically how the operations take place. So they felt enriched and they felt much happier.
The curriculum of Institute of Cost Accountants of India, whatever exists today, is quite adequate in terms of knowledge and in terms of managerial skills. We do change our curriculum in every 4 years almost, and the curriculum which exists today is probably one of the toughest and the best suitable curriculum what the industry wants. The current subjects are all included in the curriculum, and the curriculum also gives due importance for computer skill and communication skill. So looking at the need, the curriculum is probably adequate at this point of time, but more over the curriculum, what is important is personal, individual practice at individual level.
সময় শেষ, তাই আজকের মতন এখানেই শেষ করছি CMA.com। তবে আপনাদের সঙ্গে আমার আবারও দেখা হচ্ছে নতুন পর্ব নিয়ে আগামী সপ্তাহে। CMA.com নিয়ে আপনাদের কোনো কোয়েরিজ বা মতামত থাকলে অবশ্যই মেল করুন অথবা যোগাযোগ করুন আমাদের ঠিকানায়।